Hey, everybody, it's Governor Gavin Newsom, and I just want to express deep appreciation for Google and my team at GO-Biz for bringing folks together to talk about the spirit that defines the greatness of our state, and that's the spirit of entrepreneurialism. That dream that is alive in so many of us to live our lives out loud, to take pen to paper and take an idea and go out there and make a go out of it. It's what makes California special. It's what makes California so unique. Nobody does it better than the state of California. But that said, a lot of small businessmen and women have been challenged in these extraordinary times. And that's why it's important for each and every one of us to, step up our own game, to take time to learn about new innovative strategies, to lean in to the world we're living in, and help get that support that all of us need as small businessmen and women. I come from a private sector background. I come from a small business background. I took that pen to paper and opened a little wine store in San Francisco with one part-time employee, grew it to about 20 plus businesses all up and down the state of California. I don't say that to impress any of you, but to impress upon you my passion for small businesses, my passion for entrepreneurs. So I just want to express, again, respect, appreciation to all of you that are out there making a go of it. And again, to thank team at GO-Biz and the extraordinary talent at Google for helping sharpening our skills and allowing everybody peek into the future and taking advantage of the skills and the lessons we can learn, the insights in this virtual course. Take care, everybody.